Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be giving you a hotel tour and review of Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter. We stayed here for 9 nights in September 2025 and honestly it's probably my favourite hotel in the entirety of Orlando, and I'm here to tell you why, so let's go. So Port Orleans French Quarter is a sister hotel to the Riverside and part of the Port Orleans chain, which is essentially the biggest hotel area in Disney. It's really close proximity to Disney Springs and a short drive from Hollywood Studios and Epcot. Now we stayed here, like I said, for 9 nights as part of the quick service dining plan. It is a moderate Disney hotel, so UK guests do get the quick service dining plan for free or included in their hotel ticket when they buy the park tickets as well, and at a certain time of the year. Now the hotel lobby of the Port Orleans French Quarter is absolutely beautiful. I love this hotel lobby. It's always got jazz music playing, and a really great place that you can see jazz music live is the Scat Cats Club. That's really hard to say. And every single night until about midnight it's got a beautiful intimate atmosphere, live jazz music, and a great place to just enjoy the atmosphere here at the French Quarter. Now, another reason that people may visit French Quarter is for the iconic beignets, a really famous cuisine in Louisiana. The beignets are a bit like a fried donut and they are honestly amazing. Here at French Quarter they are Mickey shapes. They also had a Halloween edition when we went in September, which was amazing, probably worth getting. And the free art on the snack credit, a fantastic snack credit if you are part of the Disney dining plan. Jackson Square is the shop. The shop is quite small, but only because the hotel itself is quite small, but it has all you need. We end up using a few of our snack credits in the food area, so we got a few pieces of sweets and candy from this park. But they also do have some souvenirs, some exclusive to the Port Orleans hotels, and then some essentials such as foods and medication as well. I believe all of the Disney hotels do also have an arcade, which is quite overpriced and a little bit unnecessary, especially if you have the park tickets. But if it's a rainy day or you haven't got the park tickets for a certain day, it's just a nice way to entertain the kids for a little bit. They weren't really that busy though, to be fair. They do also have these massage chairs, which are definitely worth it after a long day at Disney because you will ache a lot. As I've already mentioned, we were on the Disney Quick Service Dining Plan, which allows you 2 meals and a snack credit every single day. Now we did eat here for breakfast and twice for dinner, so we had a good variety of food. Now I visited Port Orleans French Quarter in 2017 as well, and I would say the dining has slightly changed since then and the options weren't as amazing. The food quality is okay. There are some Louisiana style foods which are really good and definitely worth trying. I tried the gumbo, which was great, but most of the time I wasn't that hungry when I stayed here and the food was just not the best quality, but there's loads of options, so you couldn't really get bored. We also did have our refillable cups as well. Not anyone can buy these, but they are part of your dining plan when you stay at a moderate or deluxe hotel, and they are really useful. At Port Orleans French Quarter, they have the unlimited drinks, but they also have the freestyle, so you can pick literally any beverage you want, any flavour. Really great, and I made fully use out of that. Now going on to the hotel room tour itself, the Disney Port Orleans French Quarter has all been completely refurbished in the past few years, and it's absolutely beautiful. I love the decor in this hotel. It's got a bit of a Louisiana style, but it's very modern and has a touch of Disney, especially going into the Princess and the Frog style and theming. As you can see, it's very relaxing, very calm. It's not over the top Disney, which I quite like, but there's definitely a few hidden Mickeys about. The room is quite spacious. I'd say we had 4 people in the room, and I'd say that we fitted perfectly fine in there. You can stick your suitcases underneath your beds as well. You've got the little seating area, so you don't always have to sit on the bed. You've got a fridge, you've got a nice big dining area, so you can put all your food storage or any clothes that you have, and a coffee machine as well. Now, of course, there is also the bathroom area, and what I really liked about this is that, especially when you're in a big family, you can shut the door into the bathroom and the individual toilet area, so you can almost get changed, or people can just have a bit of private time to sort themselves out in the mornings or the evenings without invading the privacy of other people. So sometimes we'll just get changed in the toilets, get changed in the bathroom, and it's a really good idea for teenagers or people with older families. Now, the bathroom does come equipped with quite a lot of stuff. It has just soaps, it has a nice moisturising cream that you can take home as well, a nice big mirror, there's good brightness in here. As you can see, there's also some hangers, all your towels nice and clean and tidy and very spacious. This is an example of the door that I was just talking about as well. Now, we had a shower and of course a toilet in here. The shower included a shampoo, a conditioner and a body wash, and that shampoo was so good. I wish I could bring it home. And the shower was just a basic towel shower, but lovely. Overall, I would say this room is the perfect size for anyone in a family of 4. It is lovely and spacious, it's nice and modern, and it's really great that it is refurbished. It's got loads of space for clothes. We never had to worry about any of that, even with 4 of us in the room, and there was loads of space to store any food or just anything that you had. Very, very comfortable beds. The house cleaners come every other night, which felt like the perfect amount of time for us personally, but you can request them a little bit more often. I absolutely love the room, would highly recommend staying here for the room point of view. But to be honest, when you're at Disney, you barely spend any time in the room anyway, so as long as you're comfortable, as long as you feel safe, I think that's the most important thing, and we definitely did here at Port Orleans French Quarter. Now, continuing to the hotel grounds here at Port Orleans French Quarter. Port Orleans French Quarter is one of the smallest Disney hotels, if not the smallest, and it has the most beautiful grounds. It's right next to the Sassagula River, which means that some of the hotel rooms do face the river, and it's absolutely beautiful. It does feel like a very traditional, deep South atmosphere, inspired by, of course, Louisiana, but just naturally Florida being filled with rivers and lakes anyway. We loved the palm trees. It was so green. It felt so peaceful as well, which I absolutely loved. When you're walking around, you don't think that you're at Disney, but the quality is very Disney. The gardens are so looked after. It felt super safe as well, and you are always really, really close to any of the pools, the lobby or the buses. Now, we were one of the furthest blocks away. We were block number 1, but actually it was only about like a 3-minute walk to the lobby or the pool, so really, really close. Meanwhile, sometimes when you're at Riverside, for instance, it's a little bit further, maybe a 5 or even 10-minute walk. The pool area here at French Quarter is lovely. There was plenty of sunbeds when we went. There's also a little pool bar if you fancy a drink or two, but I think you can bring your own beverages into the pool area. It does have a slide, like I believe most of the moderate hotels do have. There's also a hot tub, which is perfect in the night. The hotel's pool was a okay temperature. It felt a little bit cold to get started, but then when it's so hot outside, it felt lovely, and it's open till quite late. I believe the timings were about 12 to 11. Another thing you may not know that you can do here at Port Orleans French Quarter and at most of the Disney hotels is the free campfire, which is on selected nights, and this is a great way to get something for free in Disney and entertain the kids for a little bit, or the big kids like myself. So you do get free marshmallows. These are unlimited. We were the only people by the campfire as well, so they were just told us to take as many as we'd like, and you just get to toast the marshmallows, which was beautiful and really amazing. It proper added to the Disney atmosphere. You can buy a small kit for about $7, but we didn't feel the need. The marshmallows were super tasty. Just make sure you don't burn them like you can see here. French Quarter do also have their own laundry service, and when we were staying for 9 nights and we did only travel with hand luggage from the UK, this was necessary, and really grateful that we had this. The laundry is a really good price, and you'll be able to watch a full video of the laundry by clicking the link above. As mentioned, you can walk to Riverside from Port Orleans French Quarter, and you can actually use their hotel pool and facilities. Because they are sister hotels, this is more than welcome. But at other Disney hotels, they do not like you doing this, but Riverside, it is perfectly fine. We didn't use the pool here, but it seemed lovely, and it was really nice just to have a little walk around Riverside. They do have different entertainments in the night, they have different opportunities, they have a slightly different dining menu as well. So if you get the chance, definitely walk over. The walk itself is lovely, it's all very well lit as well, and it takes about 5 to 10 minutes to walk from the end of French Quarter to the start of Riverside. But Riverside, as mentioned, is pretty big. You get the mansions, which are a bit closer to the French Quarter area, which are beautiful, but we also went into like the bayou bit, which was really awesome to see. Whenever you stay at a Disney hotel, they do offer free transport to all of the parks, including Disney Springs and the water parks. Now, we were really close to Disney Springs, Epcot, Hollywood Studios and Typhoon Lagoon. However, you can take the boat to Disney Springs and Port Orleans Riverside, and the boat is really great. It's a lovely perspective to get of Disney Springs, and it takes about 15 minutes, so probably just as quick to get to there than bus. You can also get the buses, and the best thing about staying at French Quarter, which is a smaller hotel, is there is only one bus stop, which means that the rotation is actually really quick and you don't need to wait anywhere near as long. There's typically one bus every 20 minutes, which isn't too bad at all. Things like Animal Kingdom and Magic Kingdom do take the longest, but Epcot and Hollywood Studios are only about a 10-minute drive in total. Thank you so much for watching my video of Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter and our review and stay. Overall, I absolutely love this hotel. It's probably one of the highest rated Disney hotels, especially when it comes to value for money, and I strongly believe that it is the best value for money here at Disney. We won the quick service dining plan and we absolutely made the most of this. Really enjoyed staying here, and I would go back here in a heartbeat. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.